Leveraging Gen AI and ChatGPT in product management. Let us continue our journey on this, and in this session we would be covering automating routine tasks with AI. So what are these routine tasks and why at all should we be automating this? And this is exactly what we would be covering in this lesson. We'll cover using AI to increase workplace efficiency, automating routine report generation and status updates, and streamlining documentation with AI. Each section will include definitions, practical examples, relevant data and statistics, and step-by-step guidance for you to help you effectively implement AI-driven automation in your product management process. To quickly introduce you to automating routine tasks with AI, automating routine tasks with AI involves using artificial intelligence tools to handle repetitive and time-consuming activities, allowing product managers to focus on strategic and creative aspects of their roles. So why automate routine tasks? To increase productivity, it frees up time for higher value tasks, reduces errors, minimizes human error in repetitive tasks, enhances consistency, ensures uniformity in processes and outputs, and scales efficiently, handles large volume of tasks without additional resources. According to a report by McKinsey, 60% of organizations that implement AI-driven automation see a 40% increase in productivity and a 30% decrease or reduction in operational costs. So without wasting much more time of yours, let's jump into using AI to increase workplace efficiency. So AI can significantly boost workplace efficiency by automating various tasks, providing intelligent assistance, and optimizing workflows. And here is how you can harness AI to enhance efficiency in your product management role. It starts with task automation, automates repetitive tasks such as scheduling, data entry, and reminders. Intelligent assistance provides smart suggestions and insights to support decision making. Workflow optimization streamlines processes by identifying bottlenecks and recommending improvements. And resource management, allocate resources effectively based on AI driven predictions and analysis. For an example, imagine you spend several hours every week managing your team's meeting schedules and follow ups. With AI tools like Calendly integrated with ChatGPT, you can automate scheduling, send automated reminders, and generate follow up emails, saving you valuable time. Getting started with automating report generation and status updates. Generating reports and status updates is a critical yet time consuming part of product management. AI can streamline this process, ensuring timely and accurate communication with stakeholders. So, why automate reports and status updates? It saves time, reduces the manual effort required to compile data, enhances accuracy, minimizes errors in data aggregation and reporting. It ensures consistency, maintains uniform reporting standards across the projects, and provides you real-time insights, delivers up-to-date information without delays. Some of the AI tools for report generation are ChatGPT. It's a natural language generation for creating comprehensive reports based on the input data. Tableau with AI integration, advanced data visualization and automated report generation. Power BI with AI capabilities, AI-driven data analysis and interactive dashboards, collection and report distribution through integrations. Then we have some new AI age tools for report generation like EasyPeasy's AI's project report generator. This AI powered tool swiftly recreates comprehensive project reports by inputting project details such as name, description, key milestones, outcomes. The generator produces detailed reports in seconds, enhancing productivity and ensuring consistency. Similarly, Liga's AI powered report creator, designed to streamline report creation, Liga's tool leverages AI to convert raw project data into well-structured professional reports. It supports various report types including status updates and final summaries and offers customization to align with. We have Docupia's AI project report generator. This tool utilizes advanced AI to process project information and generate detailed reports. Users can input project specifics and choose to employ an advanced AI model for enhanced performance, resulting in professional and polished reports. Similarly, we have Zeta.io, an AI-powered product discovery and strategy tool. Zeta streamlines product management processes. It offers features like automated tagging, categorizes inbox and product intelligence analysis, aiding in efficient organization and management of collected feedback, which is essential for comprehensive report generation. I'll show you quickly all of these new age tools, some of them being something like Zeta is this. Don't do product discovery in a planning tool, you need Zeta.io. Now Zeta.io is a product discovery platform that turns the VOCs into product insights so that you can build exactly what customers want and your business needs. Some of the products, product insights, impact first roadmaps and integrations, user feedback, customer data, dev tools, and feedback API. So you can integrate your Zeta with Slack, customer data with HubSpot and Salesforce. Then you have dev tools, and then the feedback API. You have the pricings, like you have starting at $4.99 per month with an annual commitment. Access all features with a straightforward, transparent pricing. All inclusive features for assured product success. Auto feedback capture, feedback centralization and AI assist, 5K plus integrations, upload feedback and call transcripts, AI product insights, validated ideas with AI, insight templates, insight alerts, features and roadmaps, close the loop with AI release note. Now that's Zeta.ai. Then you have easy peasy. Why choose one AI tool when you can have all of this at once? You have Liga, writes product requirements for you. Write PRDs in half the time. Plan perfect roadmaps. Let Liga do the legwork. Then you have Ingenuity, and you have unlock engineering productivity with actionable insights. And the last but not the least, you have Docupia. Unleash the magic of AI in document writing. You can use it to enhance the quality, real-time collaboration, and vertical control, personalization, optimization, AI-generated diagrams, write PRDs in minutes, AI-assisted drafts, and so much more. Now, this is mind-blowing. You can try each one of these tools and see which one fits into your requirements and your scheme of things and works best. Some of the steps to automate report generation. It starts with defining report requirements. You identify the stakeholders. You determine who needs the reports and what information they require. You set the objectives. You clarify the purpose of the report, example, project status, performance matrices, and so on. Then you choose the right AI tool. Evaluate the features. Select a tool that aligns with your reporting needs, such as data visualization, natural language processing, and integration capabilities. Step 3 is to configure data sources. You link your project management tools, CRM, and other data sources to the AI tool. You automate data collection. You set up automated data feeds to ensure real-time data availability. Then you design report templates. You create consistent report templates to maintain uniformity. And you tailor the templates to include key matrices, charts, and narratives relevant to your stakeholders. And that's when you automate the report generation. You set schedules, define how often reports should be generated, weekly or monthly. Use AI for content creation, leverage ChatGPT to generate narrative summaries based on the data. Distribute reports automatically. Use tools like Zapier to send reports via email or integrate them into collaboration platforms like Slack or Microsoft Teams. Make sure reports are easily accessible to all stakeholders. And that's how you get the entire thing automated. Examples of automated reporting. Integrated with your project management tool, you can automatically generate a weekly status report that includes project milestones, task completions, and any blockers. The AI generated narrative provides a clear summary, while Tableau visualizes key matrices, ensuring stakeholders receive comprehensive and timely updates without manual effort. So let's take for an example, automating status updates for a software development project. Scenario is like you are managing a software development project with multiple teams and frequent status updates required by stakeholders. Stakeholders need weekly updates on progress, upcoming milestones, and any issues. Objectives: provide clear visibility into project status and facilitate timely decision making. Now you select the tool and configure it. Maybe you select ChatGPT integrated with Jira and Tableau for comprehensive report generation. Configure data sources, connect Jira to ChatGPT to pull project metrics and task statuses. Integrate Tableau to visualize key performance indicators like sprint velocity and bug resolution rates. Now, once all of that is done, you design your report and automate. You create a template that includes sections for project summary, team progress, upcoming milestones, and identified blockers. Use Tableau to embed visualizations within the report. You automate report generation, schedule ChatGPT to generate a narrative summary every Friday based on Jira data. Tableau automatically updates visualization with the latest data. You distribute reports automatically, use the API to send the generated report via email to all stakeholders. Additionally, post the reports in the project Slack channel for real-time access. So all of this can be done in an automated way. You just need to connect the dots, that is, connect Jira with ChatGPT, connect Tableau with ChatGPT, connect ChatGPT using Zapier to your CRM tools or Slack, so that when the report is generated, it instantly gets triggered and gets sent to people who report. So the outcome of automation: by automating status updates, you save over 5 hours each week that was previously spent compiling reports manually. Stakeholders receive timely and accurate updates, enhancing transparency and facilitating quicker decision making. User satisfaction with project communication increases by 30%. So 5 hours saved, 30% satisfaction increase, 40% time reduction. What more can you ask as a product manager? Moving on to streamlining documentation with AI. Effective documentation is crucial for maintaining clarity, consistency, and accessibility of information with product management. AI can streamline the documentation process, ensuring that documents are accurate, up to date, and easily accessible. So why streamline documentation with AI? It saves time, it ensures consistency, and it enhances accuracy while improving accessibility. Some of the AI tools for documentation: ChatGPT is always there. You have Notion AI, you have Confluence with AI plugins, you have Microsoft Word with AI features, and then you have Grammarly with AI enhancements. Some of the quick steps to streamline documentation: once again, the first step is to identify the documentation needs. Define the type of documents required, example product requirement, user guides, or meeting minutes. You determine the stakeholders who needs access to the documentation and their specific requirements. Step 2 is using the right AI tool. Select a tool that offers functionalities like content generation, formatting, and collaboration. Ensure that tool integrates with your existing documentation platforms and project management software. Automate document creation. Leverage ChatGPT or Notion AI to generate initial drafts based on the prompts. So for example, the prompt could be like, create a product requirement document for a new feature that integrates AI-driven task prioritization in our product management tool. And then you refine the content. Once that is done, you maintain and update the documentation. You use AI tools to keep documentation current by automatically incorporating new data and changes. You implement version control practices to track changes and maintain document integrity. And the last step is to enhance accessibility and collaboration. Use AI-driven categorization and tagging to make documents easily searchable and accessible. You enable team members to collaborate on documents in real time, with AI assisting in content suggestions and formatting. An example of streamlined documentation could be like, using Notion AI, you can automatically generate and update your product roadmap. As new features are added or priorities shift, AI can adjust the roadmap, ensuring that all team members have access to the latest version without. A report by Grammarly found that 75% of organizations that streamline documentation with AI experience a 50% reduction in time spent on documentation tasks and a 35% increase in document accuracy. This is again an example of streamlining document requirements with all the given steps that we just discussed a couple of minutes back. So I won't go through with each of the steps. So you can take your time and go through this. The outcome of streamlined documentation: time reduction in documentation is by 50%, increase in document accuracy is by 35%, and reduction in time spent on documentation task is again by 50%. That's all huge. Some of the best practices for automating routine tasks with AI: identify repetitive tasks. You analyze your daily tasks to identify those that are repetitive and time consuming. You prioritize high impact tasks, focus on automating tasks that will significantly enhance efficiency and productivity. You choose the right AI tools, select tools that offer the functionalities you need, such as natural language processing, data integration, and automation. Ensure the tools integrate seamlessly with your existing softwares and workflows. You define the clear objectives and goals and matrices. You ensure data quality and security. You combine AI with human insight. You regularly review AI generated reports and documents to ensure accuracy and relevance. You provide feedback, continuously refine AI processes based on human feedback and changing requirements. Then you train your team. You provide the training, ensure the team members are proficient in using AI tools and understand how to leverage them effectively. You promote a culture that embraces AI-driven automation and continuous improvement. Iterate and improve. Regularly update and refine your automation processes based on performance data and user feedback. Keep abreast of the latest AI advancements to leverage new features and capabilities. So these are some of the best practices for automating routine tasks. But what are the challenges? And what are the solutions to those challenges in AI automation? Initial setup and integration is one of the biggest challenges. Complexity in integrating AI tools with existing systems is huge and is also a risk. So the solution to this is choose AI platforms that offer robust integration support and provide comprehensive onboarding assistance. Data privacy and security is a big concern, handling sensitive data during automation process. Solution is to implement strong data protection measures, comply with data privacy regulations, and use encryption where necessary. Quality and accuracy of AI inputs. AI generated reports and documents may contain errors or lack context. The solution is to regularly review and validate AI outputs and refine AI prompts to improve accuracy and relevance. Resistance to change will always be there. Team members may be hesitant to adopt AI-driven automation. The solution is to provide training, demonstrate the benefits of automation, and involve the team in the implementation process to encourage buy-in. The cost of implementation, high initial costs associated with AI tool subscriptions and integrations. The solution is to conduct a cost-benefit analysis to ensure the long-term savings and efficiency gains justify the investment. Maintaining human oversight is very important. Over-reliance on AI may reduce critical thinking and human judgment. So the solution is to use AI as a supportive tool while maintaining active human oversight to ensure strategic decision making remains grounded in human expertise. To conclude, we have a last case study for you, Microsoft's documentation automation. Go through this case study. Let me know in the comments or in the discussion board or in the Q&A section or in the commentary that you must have been a part of how did you find this Microsoft documentation automation and what your queries or questions are around this. I would love to help you answer the queries and I'll see you there. Until then, have a great and a wonderful day. Bye-bye.